Hello, how are you all doing? This is Mr. Cheers, and what I'm about to do now is I'm about to walk you through how to complete the exit ticket for the exemplary analytical paragraph. So your what to do instruction using the scoring guide and the unpack EA prompt. You can find that in the previous tab. You're going to write a paragraph and identify one characteristic of an exemplary response to the embedded assessment. Use textual evidence from the exemplar essay in the language of the scoring guide to support your response. So this is the CFS. First, you're going to have an assertion that identifies the characteristics of an exemplary essay. Then you want a direct quote from the scoring guide in the exemplary essay. Then you want an analysis that explains how the examples from the exemplar illustrate the characteristics of an exemplar response on the scoring guide. And then a concluding sentence that connects. Hold on, let's get this. And then a concluding sentence that connects the embedded assessment to the overall theme or learning focus, right? So let me show you what this looks like. So I provided you a sentence starter, not an exact model, but sentence starters to help you formulate your thoughts. So a key characteristic of producing an exemplar essay is a focus. And right there, you're going to identify an exemplary characteristic from the rubric. Then, for instance, in the rubric, it cites. Right there, you're going to insert a quote from the rubric that supports your claim. And then in the third sentence, this rubric reference helps the reader to then explain how the example from the rubric helps the writer be successful. And then your fourth sentence can be, after this reflection, and then finish that with, think of one final message a reader could take away after reading your paper that you're going to do. So that's how you can kind of formulate your paragraph. And these are some sentence starters to help you do that. If you don't need the sentence starters, no worries. Write from the criteria for use your paragraphs. Write your paragraph based on the CFS, and you should be good to go. I'll be here in real time to offer support for those who may need it.